Dear trader, welcome to our first course on basics of stock market. I'm Raghav. I'll be your tutor for the course. Let us start with our first concept of the course, that is, what is a stock? Stock is a ownership that is shared by a company upon purchasing the shares of a company by an individual. Company releases these stocks to get some capital to spend on their businesses. Let us take an example. If a shareholder purchases one share from XYZ company, the shareholder, if holds the share for more than 2 days, the trader will be eligible for ownership of that company. Now, the percentage of the ownership depends upon the shares purchased. Shareholder, the term itself means one who owns the shares of a company. Hope you got this basic point.